Hello and welcome to Computer Class. My name is Dave, and today we are talking about Microsoft Word, specifically the styles and themes of the program. So what I want you to do is click on More Templates once you boot up Microsoft Word, and we're going to search for one called Facet. Okay, and here it is right here. It's a blank custom design. Just click the Create button. It will download that template. Now, the tab we're focusing on today is the Design tab, and what this tab does is it basically allows you to apply quick styles or quick themes, because there's also themes on this tab, to your document, and they'll make it look very professional. Okay, so what I want to do is first I want to pick a theme by highlighting the ability, and again, the key is that you must highlight to change things. And I'm going to pick this one called, mm, let's pick, let's pick this one called, let's just pick Slate for right now, okay? So let's just say we picked Slate. And then in the themes here, we're going to pick this style right here that is has the line through it, okay? I believe it's right there as well. Okay, then I could pick a color, and I'm pretty in love with this violet number 2, so that'll give it a really dark purple. And you could also pick the fonts and change it to maybe Calibri or any of these in here. I'm going to go with this one right here. Okay, so you could change up the fonts, you can change up the effects, you can change up the paragraph spacing. All of that is throughout this. Okay, if I wanted to put in a watermark, I could put confidential in the background. If I wanted a page border, I could click that and apply a box here, drop that down. And if I wanted to, I could drop a page color on here as well, but I'm not going to do that because that would cost a lot of ink. Now, when it comes to these themes and styles, you can save, if you did a lot of work to create this style, you could save this as a custom theme to maybe apply to a document later by hitting Save Current Theme. And I'm going to save this as my style. Okay, and press Save. And now it applies up here. I have Dave's theme and I have my style theme that I could just apply to any document in the future. I could do the same with the style sets here. I could hit Save New Style Set and say my style. And then there it is. It would then appear as a custom style that I could use in the future. Okay. Now it should be noted that if I wanted to add another piece, maybe another heading 1 here, so heading, I'm going to say heading 2, I'm going to highlight that right there, that if I wanted to apply this same block, if you will, to it, go to the home section, and there's a little style section here to where I can just drop that in there. And then I could grab this text or any other text, let's just say that I had, and put it into that section. These are collapsible as well. So if I wanted to just sit there and edit one section at a time, I can also, once I have more than one section, go to the View tab and click on the navigation pane, and then you can sort of navigate between the sections of the document based on the outline to move down to those different pieces. So that's kind of helpful to know. And then, lastly, if you make a style document and you make something that you really don't want anybody to change, you'd go to the Review tab and you would click on Restrict Editing, and you would limit the formatting to the section Styles. There it is right there. Because again, you don't want them to change maybe the headings about the document. You just want them to be able to change out text or something like that. And then you'll allow only this type of editing to the document, and you would change that they could, maybe fill in forms, or they could do something specific to the document. And then you could allow to certain people, or you could allow to everyone. And then maybe potentially, if you wanted to, you could protect this document with a password, so that no one would be able to change anything, or maybe certain types of things depending on what you choose from these drop downs. Okay, so making these style documents that you can send out at a corporate level and give to people to make you look professional is it's an incredibly good thing to learn. So make sure you get this down. Um, Along those lines, hopefully you have liked this video at this point and you subscribed to the channel. Hopefully you learned something today, and I will see you in the next video.